Let's talk about centroids. A median of a triangle is a segment from a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. The centroid of a triangle is the point where the three medians intersect. Find the centroid of a triangle with vertices x at 3, 2, y at 3, -5, and z at 1, 2. Let's use a coordinate grid to plot the points. X at 3, 2, y at 3, -5, and z at 1, 2. To find the midpoint of any line segment, you need to know its endpoints. Then, you just find the average of their x values and the average of their y values. For xy, the midpoint lies at -3, 3/2. The median from vertex z must go through 3, -3/2, the midpoint of xy. The screen now shows it being drawn. We can use the points to find the equation of the median through vertex z. First, we find the slope using vertex z and the midpoint of xy. The slope is -7/4. Then, we find the y-intercept using one of the points. So, the equation for the median through vertex z is y equals -7/4 x plus 15/4. For xz, the midpoint lies at 2, 2. The median from vertex y must go through 2, 2, the midpoint of xz. We can use the points to find the equation of the median through vertex y. First, we find the slope using vertex y and the midpoint of xz. The slope is -7. Then, we find the y-intercept using one of the points. So, the equation for the median through vertex y is y equals -7x plus 16. The centroid occurs at the intersection of the medians. To find the intersection, solve the system of equations as shown. So, the centroid occurs at 7/3, -1/3. The median from vertex x must also go through the centroid. You can see it drawn here. Today, we found the centroid of a triangle.